With the change in our weather, it's been a while since we've had weather this cool and this wet. In fact, the rain we got today, the most we've seen in one day in over a month. You got to go back to February 6th. Let's check out the radar because there's more coming down right now. And of course, we've still got another 44 minutes before midnight, so we could pick up quite a bit more, as a matter of fact, in that short period of time because the showers are heavy and they continue to pound on through. Let's check it out on the radar. You can see this.
And that's my fault, not theirs. Now, the weather was golf-like today, and lots of people were out there on the links. We were out at Lionhead, and they had over 100 people out on the course. Beautiful for it, although we did have the cloud cover, a little bit of light shower action. Temperatures have actually remained fairly moderate this evening in the city of Toronto, and in the wind direction, and that's going to mean a cooler day as we roll into tomorrow afternoon. We also have this potent weather maker that has been doing some damage across the American Midwest. The low pressure center moving very, very slowly. All projections over the next 48 hours. The bulk of that rain still coming as we move through the day on Sunday, but we will now, it looks like, get some cloud cover into the afternoon tomorrow, and likely even some showers southwestern corner down or in the Niagara region. Now we are still looking at the chance for a few spotty thunderstorms as we move into the late afternoon and early part of the evening on Sunday. But first of all, for tomorrow, here's that Lake Ontario. Here's how the forecast breaks down. First of all, for tomorrow morning, still expecting to see some cloud cover out there. Temperature hovering close to the freezing mark. Very light breeze, feeling only -2, -3 into the morning hours. Into the afternoon, you know what? It doesn't look that bad. 6 degrees will be your 4 p.m. temperature. I'm still calling for a high of 7, and that is right on seasonal. Doesn't sound that great compared to the 20 degrees we had on Monday, but for this time of year, it's still not too bad. And we will get some sunshine, but now mixed in with more cloud cover, so it's not going to be a bluebird day by any means. Your showers move in on Sunday. Warm day on Monday. Looks pretty good with a high of 13 degrees. Another low pushes in on Tuesday, bringing some showers, and then the wind shifts to northerly and cold air drops in. Could even see some flurries on Wednesday, but remaining cool all the way through the latter stages of next week. Sub-zero overnight lows and daytime highs in the low single digits. Mark.
All right.